Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's been a while since I posted because I've been busy trying to get shit up for the S2000 all together. But I got these things right here that I'm gonna be working on for right now. Basically, I got these headlights. OEM AP2 headlights. I bought them off someone on OfferUp. For a really great price. So what they did, they had opened them up and they added this LED strip right there, which I have already turned it on. I'll turn it on right now again. But this one, as you guys see, it's fine. It was sealed up perfectly good, like pretty sealed up pretty well. This one, on the other hand, I had to reopen, and I'm gonna have to reseal it up, clean up the inside because it got like you know, that little yellow tint on the inside because water was getting in here. I got what do you call it, oxidized, I think. And this one wasn't sealed up very well. I'm gonna cut off some of all this like the shit that they used to put it back together. I'm gonna get a blade and just take it all off as much as I can, then reseal it up. And then for the tabs, this one is fine. I got all the tabs for this one. It's only missing one, I think. I believe it's only one. Looks like it's only one. So yeah, it's missing only one. Which also you can like grab one from another one and kind of like melt it on there. But other than that, everything's pretty good. I don't think this is, well, I don't know. But other than that, it's all good. They are OEM, the official Honda stamp, so which is pretty cool. Other than that, there's really, what is that? Clean that up real quick. I was debating on taking this off the strip, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't really want to have to undo this one. It's kind of pain in the ass. I don't want it to break or anything like that, so I'm just gonna leave that there for now. For now, I'm just gonna clean that up, polish it up, make it look nice, clean up most of, look at all this gunk right here, clean most of that up and then put it back together. Then we're gonna put them on. Should be good. So, oh, we got someone's signature down here. Can't really read it, but if you recognize that signature, I got your lights. Brought the little portable charger, like for the battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, hook it up to the lights. So it should I'll turn it on. Put them. There you go. That's the lights right there. They look somewhat faded. As you can see, some are like not as proud as others. I'm wondering if it's just because of this. It's not the best, like, you know, it's just for something quick. I wonder when I'll attach it to a car, maybe they'll look like that. It's bright, you know? But, I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it there just because I don't feel like going through it and fucking detaching this and removing them. So, for now, I am gonna leave it there. Alright, so I cleaned this one up a bit from how it was. Like you can kind of see, it was a mess earlier. It still has some in there. Like, I used some Goo Gone, cleaning off the Goo Gone right now. But I mean, it's better than how it was. So now I'm going to try to do this one. This one seems like it's gonna be a little bit more pain in the ass, but we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so I did the best I can do. It's not as bad as it was. I took it to a wire wheel and just shaved off most of what I can. Didn't really damage the light that much, but now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the lens. Hopefully it comes out good. Then we'll go ahead and put it on the car. So this is the best I could get it cleaned up. I'm not satisfied with it. I feel like I'm not satisfied with it. Like, here's that one. Here's this one. Okay, it's not too bad, but it's bad. I don't like it. But I have to get like something sand this down, do all that, and I kinda don't want to. I don't know what to do. Can't really see the difference on camera, but it's there. Some JB Weld. Let's go ahead and apply right here. Just along right there, everywhere. Make sure everything's good to go. So, see how it goes. This is clear. Kind of like nervous to see how this. We'll see. Okay, now I got these straps on. I'm talking to the vlog. I got these straps on. Fuck, man, there's a pain in the fucking ass. I was trying to get frustrated, but I got them on. So hopefully that seals it up real good, nice and tight. I can leave it there for a couple minutes. It says it's a quick dry, but we'll see. So while that's drying up, we're gonna go ahead and remove the ones I got on, start up the car, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off now. Alright, so I got the bumper and the headlights off. I got this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on. Look at that. That's the one side, but it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. Yeah. So I encountered two problems. Alright, so basically this is an AP2 headlight. Oh shit. Basically this is an AP2 headlight, there's an AP1 headlight. There's a lot, they got a lot of differences. For this hole right here for the ballast, it's P. Yeah, so this doesn't fit very well in there. It's like hard to get in there. Gonna have to make that bigger. Second, the ballast, the way it is, this one has like, it's like 3. This one is like 4. It's a rectangle. This is a triangle or rectangle. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way where I can mount this on there. No problem. How? I do not know, but I'm gonna figure it out. So yeah, those are my two problems for now. Other than that, nothing else really different. Let's continue. Might be longer than I thought, like always. Alright, what's up? So I just got done putting back together everything. I made like 2 brackets for this thing because the first one didn't work out. It was being a pain in the ass, and then I made a second. But I mean, they're on right now with the brackets because I'm using the AP1 ballast and not the AP2 ballast. So I had to make some brackets to make it work and whatnot. But let me show you guys. So here they are on in all their glory with the AP1 ballast right there. Everything's fitting kind of snug, but overall it's fitting really well. This is the one that they like fucked up. I need to clean them up because I've been touching them and whatnot. But they're looking pretty fucking tits. This thing is holding on pretty well. They're for sure not going anywhere. I just gotta put some more stuff on to fix the wiring in the back, make sure everything's secured and all that, and then we'll put on the bumper and see how it looks. Alright, so the lights are on and the bumper is too. We're about to clean them up real quick, so then we can do a little showcase. A little showcase. Pap, 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 pap. Well, anyways, I just finished up. It was cool, tiring, annoying, like all of the above. Getting this shit on, it was a pain in the ass. So now they're on, and I'm pretty happy about it. How they fit pretty well, not too bad. They look good. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna hook these up. The strips down there, I don't know where I would hook them up to so they could turn on or whatnot. I have to look into it, but yeah, looking tits for now. But anyways, time to put it back under the cover. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.